Hi everyone! So for today's video, we will unbox the freeze dryer accessories. Ayan, so ito yung binili naming freeze dryer sa Costco. Ayan, pero wala na yung laman guys. Nilagay na dun sa my laundry area. Ayan, so let's do the unboxing. Ang bigat! Mabigat siya guys. Ano kaya nandito? Let's do the unboxing. Honey. I don't know how to do the unboxing. Just excited kung ano nandito. What's in the box? Let's find out. It's so heavy. Oh. Trays. Oh wow, then there's a manual. Oh, how many? These are heavy. It's 4 trays. What is this? One oil filtration system. What is this? I don't know. I don't know also. Oh. Okay. Pichel. It's an oil filter. Oh, what is this? Oxygen absorbers. Oh, these are vacuum sealed. Do you know how to operate it? And oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, Mylar bags. So, honey, what if we use all of these bags? We will buy in Costco. Huh? They're on Amazon. Okay. Oh, it's like the dried vegetables, and you will put it in this kind of bags. Oh, okay. And ano to? Power cord vacuum hose. Oh, okay. I need that one. I don't know how to set it up. Ano to? Ang bigat! Impulse sealer. Oh, okay. Mabigat. It's heavy. Aray. Aray. I don't want to bring it out because it's so heavy, honey. And lastly, ano to? Small premier vacuum pump. Where's my scissor? It's gone. Oh, okay. Ay. Oh. Oh, okay. Honey. It's so heavy, I cannot bring it out from the box. Oh, okay. Oh, what is that? High vacuum pump oil. Oh, there's also manual. So, honestly, hindi ko pa alam kung paano gamitin tong freeze dryer na to. Kasi when it comes to preserving food, ang alam ko lang is yung vacuum sealing, canning, mga pickles, mga ganon, at saka fermenting. Ngayon, yung kasing vacuum sealing is kapag nag-preserve ka ng ganong food, parang tatagal lang siya ng 2 to 3 years, o kaya yung ibang months nga lang. Pero ito kasi, itong way ng pag-preserve na to, using freeze dryer, abot siya ng mga 25 years, mga ganun. So, pang high level to na pang preserve ng food. Kaya, pag-aaralan ko pa guys kung paano to gamitin kasi ignorante rin ako dito sa way ng pag-preserve ng food ng nagamit itong freeze dryer. So, sa next video natin, baka sakaling may pakita ko na kung paano gamitin yung freeze dryer. Ayan, and is-set up pa namin. So, ayun lang for today's unboxing guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now!